Foaming coil cleaners that are labeled for air conditioning coils work best because they penetrate grime, lift debris, and rinse away without the need to disassemble the unit. When choosing a product, pick a foaming coil cleaner specifically formulated for air conditioner evaporator or condenser coils, and avoid general household cleaners that can leave residues or damage fins. Look for a cleaner with a direct spray pattern or an extension straw so you can target the coil crevices and inner surfaces for deep penetration rather than just wetting the exterior. Apply the cleaner with the system powered off and follow the manufacturer directions for dwell time so the foam breaks down dirt and biological growth effectively. For indoor evaporator coils, place a drain pan or towel to catch runoff and ensure the condensate drain remains clear after rinsing to prevent backups. For heavily soiled coils, consider a two-step approach using a mild alkaline coil cleaner first, then a fin-friendly acid rinse. If the product instructions recommend it and you know the coil material is compatible, always wear protective gloves and eye protection and ventilate the area because the concentrated chemicals can irritate skin and mucous membranes. Common mistakes include using a cleaner not intended for air conditioning coils, which can leave residues that reduce heat transfer and attract more dirt, so always check the label and select an AC coil formula. Another issue is insufficient penetration. Homeowners spray only the outer surface, which looks cleaner but leaves deep grime, so use a foaming product with a direct spray or extension and allow proper dwell time for the foam to work. A third concern is rinsing improperly, which can flood the system or leave chemical residue, so power the unit down, capture runoff indoors, rinse gently according to instructions, and allow the coil to drain fully before restoring power. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare products like coil cleaners by sharing real user experiences and discussions. We also connect contractors with potential clients and host a community discussion area where users and professionals exchange tips and product recommendations.